Hey, let me talk in this video about the events. I want whenever I click on the map, I see point. So that's mean event. That's mean the map have to have a specific event. So when I click on it, he could fire for something. So to do that, it's really easy with the map. This is the map and this is the event for on map ready. Make sure in the on map ready you write your code, not another place. So after you initialize it, after you initialize the map, you could do the methods. So first of all, let me go to the end because it's method. I say okay, map dot set on map click listener. So okay, set on map and set on map click listener or call a new on map click listener. I say okay, here we go. On map click listener, he implement everything for me. If you see, he sent me latitude and longitude for that point. It's really good. So I need, whenever someone click on the point, I want to add one marker. If you see, this is the way how we add the marker. Okay, that's good. Let me copy it and let me go down. And here you go. This is my longitude longitude. Just say okay, add this longitude longitude. And here's the problem. Let's fix it. So add, or I would give it title add by click. Okay, so whenever anyone click on the map, you will have the longitude and latitude for that point. So just add marker on that point. And here we done. Let me just run it and see. Here we go. If I click now, see point. Whenever I click, what's happened? Whenever I click on the map, this event will be fire. So it will know which location I click on by getting longitude and latitude. Then it's fired from that location. That's great now. Here we done, and thank you for watching.